Before you buy ceramic cookware, there's one thing no product page tells you: most non-stick coatings start flaking after just a few months if you're not careful. But not all ceramic sets are built the same. Some are built to last, others are just pretty. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Carote 17 PCS Detachable Handle Set. First up, the Carote 17 PCS set. This one caught my eye because of its detachable handles. At $64, it's one of the most affordable full sets out there, and it's selling like crazy with 4,000 plus bought last month. If you want serious space saving and versatility without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The detachable handles let you stack these pans way more efficiently. Carote claims up to 70% more storage space, and honestly, it's true. I've got a tiny kitchen, and being able to store everything in one drawer, game changer. Plus, you can go from stove to oven to table with the same pan. The aluminum body heats up fast and evenly, and the non-stick coating is PFOA-free. It's dishwasher safe too, which is rare in ceramic sets. Now, some people complained about the handles feeling loose after a few uses. Here's the thing though, if you make sure they're clicked in all the way before cooking, they're actually rock solid. I've used this set for months and mine haven't budged. But if you're rough with your gear or cook on high heat constantly, the locking mechanism might wear over time. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space, hate cluttered cabinets, or want one set that does everything. Skip this one if you're a heavy-duty cook who sears steaks daily. This isn't built for extreme heat. For under $70, it's a steal. Product number 2, Sensarte 14-piece Ceramic White Set. Now, if Carote's detachable design felt gimmicky, this next one takes a more traditional but premium approach. The Sensarte 14-piece set costs $103 and looks stunning in that crisp ceramic white. It's got over 3,000 sales last month, and while it's pricier, it feels like a real upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ceramic coating is completely free of PTFE, PFAS, PFOA, all the nasty stuff you don't want leaching into your food. It heats evenly thanks to that 4.8mm stainless steel base, which also makes it induction compatible. I fried eggs in this thing with barely any oil and they slid right out. The glass lids are explosion-proof, and the wood grain Bakelite handles stay cool, no oven mitts needed. Now, some people were frustrated that it's not dishwasher safe. Here's the thing though, ceramic coatings degrade faster in dishwashers due to harsh detergents and high heat. Hand washing takes 30 seconds, and it keeps the non-stick layer intact longer. If you're used to tossing everything in the dishwasher, this might annoy you. This is perfect for you if you cook healthy meals often and want a beautiful, toxin-free set that works on any stove. Skip this one if you absolutely refuse to hand wash your pans. For the safety and performance, it's worth the extra care. Product number 3, Astercook 23 PCS Stackable Set. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families or RV life. The Astercook 23-piece set is $103 and includes everything, even silicone utensils and pot protectors. It's also got detachable handles and a cream white finish that hides stains better than bright white. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The removable handles aren't just for storage, they're silicone wrapped for better grip and heat resistance. The aluminum body with granite-infused ceramic coating distributes heat super evenly, so no hot spots. I made pancakes in the 10-inch pan and everyone browned perfectly. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees F, and yes, it's dishwasher safe, a big plus for busy households. Now, some people said the pans feel a bit lightweight. Here's the thing though, that's actually a benefit for quick heating and easy handling. But if you're used to heavy-duty stainless steel, these might feel flimsy at first. Also, with 23 pieces, you might end up with more than you need, like multiple spatulas and protectors. This is perfect for you if you're feeding a family, love having backup tools, or live in tight quarters like an RV. Skip this one if you prefer minimalist kitchens, you'll have leftovers. For the price and versatility, it's a strong contender. Product number 4, Carote 14 PCS Oatmeal Set. Now, if the 17-piece Carote felt overwhelming, this 14-piece version might be the sweet spot. At $89, it's got a warm oatmeal color that hides wear better than black or white. It's from the same brand, but this one skips the detachable handles for a more classic, sturdy feel. If you want Carote quality without the complexity, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ceramic coating is reinforced for durability, no PFOA, PFOS, or other toxins. The die-cast aluminum body resists warping even on high heat. I boiled water in the 4-5 QT stock pot and it heated up fast without any wobbling. The included utensils are actually usable, not flimsy throwaways. And it comes with pan protectors which help prevent scratches in storage. Here's the thing though, like Sensarte, hand washing preserves the coating. But Carote's nonstick is so smooth, a quick wipe with a sponge does the job. Still, if you're lazy about cleaning, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-fuss set that looks good and cooks well. Skip this one if you absolutely need dishwasher convenience. For under $90, it's a solid daily driver. Product number 5, Sensarte 13-piece all-rounder. Finally, the Sensarte 13-piece set, the most balanced option here. At $85, it's affordable but doesn't cut corners. It's got that same toxin-free ceramic coating, induction compatibility, and a sleek white finish. With 2,000 plus sold last month, it's a quiet favorite. If you want safety, performance, and simplicity in one package, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ceramic surface is so smooth, even scrambled eggs don't stick, and that's the real test. The cast aluminum heats evenly, and the stainless steel base works on gas, electric, and induction. The glass lids let you watch your food without lifting, and the handles stay cool. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which is rare for high-end ceramic sets. Now, some people said the smaller saucepan is a bit narrow. Here's the thing though, it's perfect for sauces or single servings, and the 4-7 QT casserole handles bigger meals. It's not a flaw, just a design choice for compact cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a safe, easy-to-clean set that works on any stove and doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you need giant pots for big batches. For under $90, it's one of the best values out there. So which one wins? If you're tight on space, go Carote 17 PCS. Want premium safety and looks? Sensarte 14-piece. Need tons of pieces? Astercook 23 PCS. Prefer simplicity? Carote 14 PCS. And for the best balance of everything, Sensarte 13-piece. All are non-toxic and built to last, just pick what fits your kitchen and lifestyle.